Hey folks, Internet Dude here. Hey, so in this video I'm going to try cranking the Niva over. I have the spark plugs out and I'm just using the key and the starter to try and crank it over. The first time there's a bit of a click, and then after that you'll hear that the engine does actually spin over. My friend that sold me the Niva came over to give me a hand here and try and get this thing cranked over. This is before I actually purchased and replaced the fuel pump.
Okay. Keep going. It runs. It runs. Okay. Yeah, I just heard it. Fixed times, it always turns. Okay. No, that was me. Yep. Okay.
So this is very exciting news. I now know that the engine is basically fine at this point, and so I'm going to continue with the different things that the car needs to progress to having it driving now that I know that it's running. So be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more Niva videos.